Hey guys, welcome back. It is a nice Saturday evening and I'm gonna work on some easy maintenance items on my QX60, so let's get started. I normally hate going to the dealer, but when I first buy a used car, I get my first oil change at the dealer. This is because they provide a complimentary multi-point inspection and they give you a nice document that tells you everything that the car needs. They do this to try to convince you to get the work done, but really most of them are easy enough for you to do yourself for much cheaper. As you can see here, my rear brake pads were down to 3mm and they wanted $605. That's just for the rears, not all four. Then my brake fluids were kind of dark. They wanted $212. Engine air filter, $44. Cabin air filter, $175. And along with some tires for $454, they wanted $1,600 for everything here. Let's see how much I can get it done for if I do it myself. I'm gonna start with the easiest one, which is the engine air filter. I couldn't believe how easy it was to change. No tools needed, just 2 clips, out with the old, in with the new. The cabin air filter was a little bit harder, also no tools needed. Access is via the passenger side footwell here, where you need to undo the cover. That is a dirty filter. Then I put the new one in, making sure the arrow points towards the back of the car. The brake pads take less than 15 minutes per side, so this item on the list was the most outrageous. After taking off the wheel, you just need to remove one bolt, which is this 14mm right here. Oh, holy crap. This shouldn't be on there that tight. After the bolt is removed, you can simply remove the caliper like so and remove the pads along with the hardware. I use this lubricant to lube up the top and bottom of the pads where it contacts the hardware. The back of the pads, before putting the caliper back on, you'll notice that the pads are too thick now, so you need a piston pushing tool like this one. Put the old pad in and rotate it until the piston gets pushed just enough for the caliper to fit back into the pads. And before you start driving, you need to pump the brakes so the calipers go back to its position. To do this, I like to open up the brake fluid reservoir cap and pump the brakes a few times. That way when you start driving, you won't have mushy brakes. There may or may not be fluid overflowing when you do this, so be mindful of that. Speaking of the brake fluid, it's not urgent, although it's good to replace, but I'll do that in another video. So all in all, I spent a total of $62 for the 3 things, compared to $824 the dealer was going to charge me. So I think I took the W for this one. So I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.